My first pair of golf shoes were the white Adidas that you see right here. And then I kind of was like, let me get some black ones. And at first, I honestly just wanted to get a different color and a different style. These are the Adidas golf shoes in black that I got. Again, true to size, I wear a 10.5 in Adidas. They are 10.5 and fit perfectly. But the biggest difference, and I didn't even notice when I purchased them on Amazon, is the sole. They have a 4-2 configuration in cleats. So if you are a hard driver, if you want that kind of stability on the grass in the bunkers, this is highly recommendable because let's look at the difference. I'm sure you can see the difference. This one here in the black has the 4-2 configuration, and the white shoe on my left has kind of the more uniform kind of just cleats, right? So this is the biggest difference between the two. Adidas still makes those shoes waterproof. Of course, not submergible because water is going to go right in here. But if you are playing in wet grass, there's absolutely zero issues. They're extremely comfortable and I highly recommend them.